What is going on, guys? Drew with Oak Tree Dreams here. We are coming back at you guys with a hunt and cook / cook with me. We did these in the past last season, around turkey season. So since it's the end of February, beginning of March, we're going to start doing some more. This week we are doing a French toast venison burger. Sounds actually pretty delicious because you got the sweet and savory side of this. It's, oh man, mouth is already watering over this. Before we start any of that, I want to say thank you guys for all the support you've given Oak Tree Dreams between on here or on our Instagram page, and soon we will be having our Facebook page up. So keep on the lookout for that. If you want to check out our Instagram and stay up to date with day-to-day stuff and everyday posts, up in our banner there on our channel is our Instagram link and soon our Facebook link. If you guys haven't noticed, we do have t-shirts made now. We designed them ourselves, and we're gonna have some more that are designed, or that we have designed, that are gonna be coming out. Our signature shirts between me, Jarrett, and Zach. So we each have our own favorite kind of thing we like to hunt, or different side of us, and so we designed it into a shirt. On the front it says Oak Tree Dreams, as you can see, and on the back it's a picture of our logo with always shoot for your dreams. If you guys would like to purchase the shirt, you guys can always go to our Instagram page, shoot us a DM, and we'll let you know more in detail on it. Or when our Facebook page is up and you go travel over there and follow us, you could send us a personal message on there, and we will do the same thing. We'll figure it all out, get your shipping stuff and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so for ingredients, you can't forget Worcestershire sauce. Empty out this bottle. I have another bottle ready to go here, except I'm pretty sure, no, there's no, okay. Put in some more, for Worcestershire, the amount, put in your desired amount. It don't really matter, it's just whatever your taste buds like. That in there. And we have some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. So this is going to give it just amazing flavor to go with that French toast. And with this too, it's your desired amount. It's whatever you prefer, how much flavor you want in there. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. A lot's going to come out, but oh well. Get quite a bit down in there. Just a touch of salt. With venison, especially burgers, I like to add an egg just to keep it together and give it that moist factor, because venison likes to dry out pretty quick. So we're gonna start mixing this up and making our patties. And then, instead of breadcrumbs, I'm gonna add in these French fried onions. That should be good. Now we're gonna make them into patties. Alright, so the patties are made, and Now we're gonna start cooking them and start cooking the French toast and getting that all ready to go. Patty's gonna take a little bit longer, so start them and then you're gonna start your French toast. We got 1 egg. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick here. Add a little bit of milk. And then your cinnamon. Whisk it up. Now we're all ready to go to start making the French toast. Alrighty, we're getting ready to make these patties. We're gonna turn the burners on, not on high. I might get yelled at by the wife. And yeah, I'm gonna let it get nice and warm so the butter starts melting, and then we're gonna throw those patties on. And then we're gonna start making the French toast. Alrighty, we've flipped the patties. Now we're gonna get our French toast going here. So it's all going to be done at the same time. And for a side, we are making just some cheesy French fried potato wedge type stuff. So you can make whatever you want for a side. That's just what we're going to make for a side with this one. Alright, now the fries are done. Maybe a little more done than you want, but goes on the plate. And while they're still hot, throw some cheese on it. Still might know that background noise. That's just my son having a heyday over there. Just like that. And for a minute, we'll put the plate in the oven just so the cheese melts a little touch. And we'll pull it back out and we'll get to making that French toast venison burger. Right, cheese melted some. Now we're going to construct this burger. Move the fries over just a touch more here. So we got our piece of French toast. And essentially you're going to make this as a regular burger. Other than that, I don't know exactly how else to say it, but it's just as if you're making a normal burger. Put some mayo on it, or whatever you choose to put on it. You don't have to put mayo. Put some mustard on the other slice. Rip up some lettuce to put on there. And some glorious onions. It's feeding time for little Leo out there. We're gonna grab our patty, which looks phenomenal. Gonna set that right on there. Add the top piece. And bam, French toast venison burger. It looks phenomenal. It smells phenomenal. The crust got a little bit done on that French toast because I forgot about when I was working with the fries. So it's not how it's exactly supposed to look, but it looks amazing. So, all right. So here it is, final masterpiece. Hopefully it's good. Like I said, we never made it before. And just gonna try it here, see, get the reaction, because it does fall apart pretty easily, it looks like. That is a lot better than I thought. Sorry for the mouthful. But that is all for today's episode. So stay tuned for maybe next week we'll have another hunt and cook, or in 2 weeks. We're not exactly sure. But like I said, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and now Facebook. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching, and always shoot and catch your dreams.